In this video I am testing a new tool I received, this KAIWEETS voltage tester, model KTL01. It has a voltage range from 12 to 1000 volts AC, with two sensitivity modes, one starting at 12 volts and another at 70. It has a Cat4 safety rating up to 1000 volts. It uses two AAA batteries, which are included, and has a low battery warning and auto shutdown function when the batteries drop below 2.3 volts. It was manufactured by Shenzhen Wanhe Innovation Technology Company. I like to see Chinese companies proud of their products and not hide behind German names. Inside the packaging we have the voltage tester, two alkaline batteries, and a concise user manual. The voltage tester feels well built, with the red section made of rubber and the black section made of hard plastic. According to this label, it complies with EN 61010-1, a key European safety standard for electrical test and measurement equipment. The buttons are made of soft rubber and have a nice feel to them. The labels appear to be printed on. The working end is rounded to fit European style sockets and also incorporates a large built-in flashlight. I believe the version sold in the States has a flat tip to fit American style sockets. The battery cover has a rubber O-ring, probably to help keep dust out. The batteries are inserted with the positive end first, as illustrated on the tool. To power on the device, you have to press the on-off button for more than a second. The display backlight is green when no voltage is detected. Pressing the sensitivity button toggles between the two modes. One detects voltages from 12 volts, while the other starts at 70. This tiny symbol indicates that the detector will automatically switch off after 5 minutes of inactivity. If you want it to stay on until it's switched off manually, start the device by pressing the power button and the light button at the same time. As you can see, the symbol is now gone. When voltage is detected, the display turns red and the device starts beeping. The signal strength is indicated by the bars on the display, as well as by a percentage value, and the beeping becomes faster. When the cable is rotated so that the neutral wire faces the sensor, the beeping slows down and the percentage reading drops. This can be used to help distinguish between the live and neutral wires. The integrated torch is a proper working light, not just a weak LED like those found in most voltage testers. It provides enough light to be genuinely useful when testing circuits in the dark during a fault. For testing, I will use the rig you've seen in my other videos about electrician tools. Before each use, you should test it on a known live circuit. My preferred method is to use one of these extension leads with an illuminated switch. We now have power to the test rig. And the live wire appears to be in the correct position. We can proceed with the testing. As you can see, it clearly distinguishes between the live and neutral wires, even when multiple wires overlap. Now let's do some real world testing, starting with this mess in my kitchen. Overall, I'm pleased with the build quality and performance of this voltage tester. It comes with a 3-year warranty and has hundreds of positive reviews on Amazon. If you'd like to learn more about it, you'll find a link in the description.